G'day guys, welcome to the channel. If you need help with your domain, hosting, SSL or other Namecheap services, well, their live chat is the fastest way to get support. Guys, firstly, step number one, visit the Namecheap website. So go to namecheap.com and navigate to this help center right here, as you can see, /live chat. You can also just type in how to use chat with Namecheap like that, or just Namecheap live chat, something like that, and you will have a first link, which is this one, the support. Right, after that, click on Contact Us under the support section, select live chat from the available support options. You may be asked to log in to your Namecheap account if you haven't already. Once in the chat window, choose the category related to your issue, for example, domain, hosting, SSL, billing, whatsoever. After that, basically you can start the chat and fix any of your issues, or if you need any help, you can get the help from the live chat. Guys, and the live chat is available 24/7, making it the best way to get instant help from Namecheap. And this is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.